हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली रीडिंग सेशन। तो चलिए हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर का एक आर्टिकल, सेक्रेड थ्रेड्स ऑन स्टेट सर्विलांस एंड डेमोक्रेसी। द स्टेट मस्ट नॉट स्टफल democratic dissent in the name of national security. State surveillance must be subject to systematic check and supervision and not mirror the nefarious activity of the dark underworld. As the Supreme Court of India bench pointed out, the question is not whether the state can use spyware, but who could be its legitimate target. The bench, during a hearing on the alleged surveillance of politicians, judges, religious leaders, civil servants and journalists by the some state entities, was evidently seeking to curtail arbitrary use of the power and route of surveillance. The government has neither confirmed nor denied that it used Pegasus, an Israel-made military-grade spyware that is sold only to state agencies, which was used to target a wide range of people. The matter reached the Supreme Court after global revelation about the existence and use of these tools, and it appointed a technical committee whose investigation was constrained by a lack of cooperation from alleged targets and the government. Several high-profile users of the iPhone, the primary target of access, continue to get security alert from the manufacturer that they were target of suspect state surveillance, even as the matter was before the judiciary. State States the world over have used extra legal measures to snoop on targets that try to firewall their communication using rapidly evolving technologies. Terrorists and other non-state actors and criminals are using encryption and other advanced technologies to evade detection as they plot to harm the wider security. Without adequate legal, the, techn- the technol- and technological wherewithal, the state would be ineffective in dealing with emerging national security threats. National security threats. In this context, and rapidly against the backdrop of the terrorist attack in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, the court has framed a relevant question: the tendency of the government to arbitrarily invoke national security and defense of a brazen denial of due process and transparency in law enforcement has been called out by the court in the past. There is also disturbing trend of government actors routinely labeling political opponent as a anti-national. It the state to claim more surveillance power corresponding and robots guardly guardrails must also be engineered. National security cannot be excused for executive arbitrariness and a violation of individual rights and dignity. Protocol that ensure that clearly defined standards and step out followed a surveillance must be established. Other once once the security concerns are overcome and within appropriate timeline, these process would be subject to oversight by the other branches of governments and public large at large. At any rate, no state agency can have the authority to interfere in the democratic politics of the country or stifle dissenting voices and activities while trying to tackle an uncertain security environment. The compass of India's constitution democracy must stay firm.